The Cambodian song is dedicated to Seaworks. Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm here at Seaworks and we're getting my hood installed, the carbon fiber hood. And as you can see, Dahl is finishing up the hood with the final touch. I'm glad that the paint came out looking good. They did a great job. The mesh vents for the carbon fiber hood here, that has just been repainted. And this is how the car is going to be looking for a while. I'm going to enjoy this car with this color until I can get new wheels. I've been looking for wheels for a long time, and it's hard to find 18, 19 wheels that's going to fit and clear my big brakes. There's 6 piston R1s in the front and 4 pistons in the back. This fitment, 18, 19s, I like the way it sits and it's flushed. See? Perfect. So if anybody knows some good 18, 19 wheel setup that's going to clear my big brakes, you guys hit me up.
There was a lot of rock chips and the clay was peeling a little bit here and there, but so we blocked it out, we primer it, and then we blocked it again, and then we base it out, and then we're clear coated, and right now what we're doing, we're color sanding, buffing, getting
Final touches,
nice, the carbon fiber, because
yeah,
from the mold, it's kind of wavy originally.
Yes.
And good thing that we painted again, it looks great.
Yeah, thank you guys. It looks awesome. The color match is perfect. I mean, you can only imagine aftermarket paint.
Yeah.
And you guys did a great job. I can't even tell that there's any color difference.
Yeah.
It's super good.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Accurate. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until the next one, thank you guys very much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Did Seaworks do a good job? Did the paint match pretty good? How does it look on the car? What do you think? It just feels complete. I like it. It just changes the way the whole car looks. Let's go.